Hello everyone, welcome to numerical series of high voltage. This numerical problem is frequently asked in board exam of Pokhara University, and the numerical problem is an underground cable of inductance 0.189 millihenry per kilometer and the capacitance 0.3 microfarad per kilometer is connected to an overhead line having an inductance of 1.26 millihenry per kilometer and the capacitance of 0.009 microfarad per kilometer. Calculate the transmitted and reflected voltage and current wave at the junction if a source of 200 kilovolt travel to the junction along the cable and along the overhead line. And the solution is, first of all, surge impedance of the cable, that is Z1, root under L1 upon C1. Put the value of L1 and C1, we can get the value of surge impedance of the cable. Similarly, we have to find the surge impedance of the line. Surge impedance of line, that is Z2, root under L2 upon C2. Put the value of L2 and C2, we can get the surge impedance of the line. Now, when the surge travel along the cable, this is the surge travel along the cable is Z2 minus Z1 upon Z2 plus Z1. Put the value of Z1 and Z2. We can get the surge when the surge travel along the cable, that is 0.8742. Similarly, the reflected wave. The reflected wave is surge along the cable. When the surge along the cable into E, this is voltage, that is 0.87 into 200 kilovolt. And similarly, the transmitted wave is 1 plus surge along the cable, 1 plus surge along the cable into voltage, that is E, 1.8742 into 200 kilovolt, that is 374.84 kilovolt. The reflected current wave, that is I dash, is E dash upon Z1, and we have already find E dash, this is reflected wave upon Z1, and Z1 already find. Put the value of E dash upon Z1, we can get 6.97 kiloampere. And the transmitted current wave is E double dash upon Z2. Put the value of E double dash and Z2, we can get the transmitted current wave. And similarly, we can find when the wave travel along the line. Firstly, we find the wave along the cable, and then we find the wave along the line, that is Z2 minus Z1 upon Z2 plus Z1. Put all these value, we can get minus 0.8742. And the reflected wave is wave travel along the line into voltage, and put this value, we can get 174.84. And similar, the transmitted wave is 1 plus wave along the line into E, and this wave along the line is minus 0.8742. So 1 minus 0.8742 into 200, we can get a 25.16. And the transmitted current wave, that is E dash upon Z2. And here in the case of line, transmitted current wave, we put Z2, and reflected current wave, we put Z1. Then we can get the value of 1.006 kiloampere. And next, put the value of E1 upon Z1, E dash upon Z dash, we can get 467 ampere. Guys, if you think this video is useful for you, please like, subscribe and comment on the video.